is deeper than I thought it needed to be. Everything okay, Rex? You look like you've seen a ghost of an old playground. This foundation work is heavier than the specification called for, but we will level it.
Sometimes, the hardest part of building something fun is remembering the fun when you're stuck in the mud.
It's not the digging, Tipper. It's knowing how many happy kids depend on every single scoop we take. Come on, guys! Imagine the swings! We gotta keep hauling for the slides!
Sometimes, progress isn't dramatic. It's just the quiet satisfaction of making a messy world perfectly flat.
Right, no more dwelling. We are the diggers. We build. Let's lift those smiles. That is going to be quite the tower. Good work, team.
Building fun is serious work. But as the sun set, the adventure diggers knew. Tomorrow.
It feels like the finish line keeps moving away. Do you really think we have enough left in us? We always finish what we start. We just take it one load, one push, one hole at a time.
The morning always brings new earth to move and new height to reach.
The silent giant stretches, ready for the load. Perfect fit. Measure twice, dig once. Load delivered. Fast and furious.
Ready for soft landings.
We did it! Every bolt, every load, every inch of ground.
The work was done. Now, they just had to wait for the sounds of laughter.
The quiet was heavy. The work was done. But the playground was silent.
It's perfect, isn't it? So, I guess that's all the gravel I'll be hauling today. Blade knew this perfect flatness meant his job was truly over. See ya when we build the next one, Rex. It's gonna be so much fun for them. We did good, Blade.
The ground had never been so silent for Blade.
Wait! Listen! Listen!
And then, the quiet broke.
Now that's a beautiful sound, fellas.
My bed feels so light now.
The surface he created was too perfect to scratch.
The foundation is set and the joy is stable.
Build it strong. Play in happiness. Now, that's what we built this for.